Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel, or welcome if this is your first time here. My name is Karika, and in today's video, I don't know, I was going for a chit chat, get ready with me, but it didn't really work out that way. So in the beginning of this video, I'm going to be talking to you guys, and then eventually I just stop. So yeah, the end of the video probably like sped up, but at the beginning I am talking just a little bit. Please excuse me, I don't know, I just drew a blank, and before you knew it, I was done with my makeup and I didn't say a word in over like 15 minutes. So yeah, so if you guys like to see how I achieve this makeup look, then make sure that you keep on watching. Okay, so as you guys can see, I already have one eye done that I did off camera. So this is how the look is gonna be. I really wasn't going for nothing particular. I was just going with the flow. So I'm really not gonna mention the products that I use in the video. I'm just gonna do my makeup. But yeah, so let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so I know that it's been a while since I filmed the video. I feel like I'm saying this too often. I know it's been a while since I filmed the video, but it's been a month. It's probably been, yeah, it's been a month since I filmed the video. And I just wanted to do like a chit chat, get ready with me, because I haven't done one in a while. So I just wanted to do, you know, I just feel like talking right now. So that's why I want to do this video. So basically I want to talk about a couple random things. I feel like it's always going to be something random. But I know that if you were wondering why I stopped doing my weight loss vlogs, is because it was just too much pressure. Like honestly, I don't like when I'm trying to lose weight, I don't like to weigh myself every week. I try to avoid the scale because it's very discouraging for me. And yeah, so when I was doing those vlogs, obviously, you know, I have to weigh myself every single week, which, like I said, I don't like, because I just don't enjoy it. Seeing a number on the scale every week, it can be very discouraging, and then it makes me not want to work out, or, you know, I feel like I'm not doing enough, just whatever. So that was the main reason why I stopped vlogging my weight loss journey. But I do want to say that even though I'm not vlogging it, I'm still on my weight loss journey. So I just wanted to give you guys like an update on that. So I was kind of going like up and down. I was so inconsistent with the gym. Like I would go 2 weeks straight, you know, 3 or 4 times a week for 2 weeks, and then go 3 to 4 times a week for 3 weeks, and I would stop. It was just like a pattern of not being consistent, so therefore you're not going to see the results. So I was like, okay, I want to say it was like a little bit before the beginning of the year. So I would say probably the last 2 weeks of December, something like that, is when I was like, okay, it's about to be a new year, and the new year brings, I feel like I'm like leaning over. The new year is going to be bringing my wedding. And like I said, I want to make sure that, you know, I feel good and I look good on my wedding day. So that is all the motivation that I really need, is because now that it's 2020, it's like really like, okay, it's almost here. The time is almost here. It's time to get focused and stop playing around. And I think that I've been doing a pretty good job. So I was Googling a lot of things, like the best ways to lose weight, stuff like that, because I don't want to be skinny. I want to be toned and I want to be healthy still, but I want to be like fit. Like I don't want to be skinny. I realize that skinny, I don't want to be skinny. So I decided to start weightlifting. So I basically weightlift. It could be anywhere between 3, 4, 5 days a week, depending on how I'm feeling that week. And it's really like, I can see the changes in my body. Like, it's crazy how much it's worked for me. I've never actually weightlifted before. I've always, I guess I just wasn't really educated on weightlifting. And then I just started Googling, and yeah, and it has a lot of good benefits. So I'm basically weightlifting. So when I go to the gym, I'll weightlift for about 35 minutes. And then the rest of my hour, I'll spend that doing like cardio, whether it's on the Stairmaster or the treadmill, or sometimes even both. And that's really working out for me. Like, that is really working out for me. And so far in a month, I'm down 16 pounds, which is the most that I've been down since I've tried to even lose weight. I've been trying to lose weight for years at this point. Like, maybe like 2 years, if that. And this is the most that I've finally ever lost, was 16 pounds since then. So I'm really excited about that. I'm really happy. And obviously that's going to really motivate me to, you know, keep going and doing what I got to do. So I can tell that I'm definitely losing inches because, like I said, I'm weightlifting, and that just melts away fat. When you do a lot of cardio, you're burning calories. Weightlifting, you're literally just burning fat. So I'm definitely seeing the changes in my body, and it's really, really encouraging, and I'm really excited to keep going because I still have until May 28th, until my wedding. And I'm going to keep going to the gym as consistent and often as I can until that day. What am I looking for? So, yeah. So I wanted to update you guys on my weight loss because I know I just stopped doing the vlogs and I really didn't say anything about it. That's the reason why. I don't like feeling pressured, and I don't like... It was just a lot of pressure, like I said, and that's just what it is. And I didn't like feeling pressured, so I was like, you know what? I'm not going to do this to myself every week. Like, it can't be healthy. So, yeah. What else did I want to talk about? I wanted to talk about, of course, the wedding. The wedding is coming up, and I cannot believe how fast it's approaching. And I'm so excited, and I'm also so stressed out because I feel like the closer it's getting, I'm just like, okay, I feel like a lot still needs to be done. But I feel like I'm doing everything that I can at this point. Like, I don't know. It just feels, I don't know. I just don't feel prepared. Even though I'm probably prepared, I just don't feel like I am. I feel like a lot needs to be done. But, yeah, so that's pretty stressful. But I cannot wait. I'm so excited for the big day. And I'm so nervous. That's like another thing. I'm like super, super nervous. I really hope that on my wedding day, the weather is beautiful. That's one thing that I'm always like, please just grant me nice weather on that day. Because the main point of us getting married outside is because we want to get married on a waterfront. And we have a waterfront venue. And if it rains, it defeats the whole purpose. Like, the whole purpose. I'm not about to be one of those brides getting soaking wet in the rain, having all my guests outside, and all my bridesmaids getting wet. Because guess what? Who packed extra clothes for the reception? Like, that's just uncomfortable, and I'm definitely not doing that. So for rains, we have an indoor option. But I'm just hoping and praying that it does not rain. Just give us great weather. That's all I want. That's just all I need. Is some good weather on that day. There was something else that I wanted to talk about, but I honestly don't remember. Like, I'm drawing a blank. And I really don't know what it was that I wanted to talk about. And I hate when that happens. I feel like the camera is not really showing how this eye look really looks in person. Like, it looks really, really bright on camera. Well, that's how it's looking to me. I don't know how it's gonna look on you guys until I edit it, but I hope that it's really picking up the way that this eyeshadow really looks, because it's really pretty. Lashes is on. I'm feeling good. I'm feeling good. When I tell you I have not worn makeup in a while, I have not worn makeup in a while, so I'm feeling myself right now. Okay? I'm feeling myself right now. Because it's been a while since I've looked like this. I'm going to use this liquid lipstick from Gerard Cosmetics. It's in the shade Share. Okay guys, so this is the final look. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure that you give it a thumbs up. Comment down below some purple hearts so that I know that you watched the video. And I will see you guys in the next one.